Hey, this is Chris Ozzetti with Foltex, and today I have a quick tip for you. If you've ever been in need to restore your programs for your machine back to the factory settings, this is how you will do it. Inside your electrical cabinet, clipped to the communication cable on your PLC, is a Foltex flash drive, and this has all of our backup files on it. So in order to restore from our flash drive, we will go to the front of the machine, open up our USB port, and plug our flash drive in. The screen is always going to pop up with this first. All you need to do is hit close. So while you're unlocked in maintenance mode, you can go as though you're going to edit a program to our copy button. And from here, we can press retrieve programs from the USB. If you back up the programs, you'll write over it and lose what you had. Once this process is done, we can remove our USB and we're ready to go.